What's up? Happy New Year. A lot of people have New Year's resolutions to be healthier, to eat better, so I'm going to show you the healthy way to get f***ed up. It's called the Bloody Mary, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best Bloody Mary in the world. This is an interesting drink because depending on who's making it, it could literally be as simple as V8 and a splash of vodka, and there's people that make it with 10 to 15 different ingredients. They have a full meal coming out of the top with chicken wings. There's actually about 7 ingredients needed to make a proper Bloody Mary. I'm going to include those, throw in a couple of my own, and then go over a few optional ingredients. You know, you want to get obnoxious with it. We're doing salt and pepper, black pepper, a little bit of white pepper, garlic powder. This isn't usually an ingredient you see, but it definitely makes this one unique. Squeeze in half a lemon. With many cocktails, there's 1 or 2 ingredients that really separates the simple ones from the more complicated, well-made ones. With the Bloody Mary, it's horseradish and Worcestershire sauce. So we're going to put in a nice little 1/4 spoon of horseradish, a little bit more than you would typically find, but like at least a ½ shot of Worcestershire sauce in there. The cool part about this drink is you actually can put in a lot of vodka and you still won't even taste it. Yeah. Apparently the Bloody Mary was invented by Ernest Hemingway. He wanted to get as f***ed up as possible and didn't want his wife to know he was drinking alcohol. That's why he put all this shit in it. It ends up tasting amazing though, so. I like to take things to the extreme, which is why I was going to put in the last dab, but we actually want this to be drinkable. And Tabasco has the perfect flavor for a Bloody Mary. Put in however much of that you want. Another ingredient you don't typically find, feta cheese. You can definitely use regular tomato juice. Just throw in V8 juice because it's New Year's and we're being healthy. This is how I like the Bloody Mary. I have a friend who likes the same Bloody Mary, but with corn and barbecue sauce. So depending on how you make this, it could literally be a full-blown meal with every major food group. Be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. I do like all of this. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button. I post tons of fun, interesting videos.